Do you want to know how much money you will invest in your Google search campaign? Please stay here until the end and watch all the video. My name is Edgar Francisco Zarate. If you don't know me, please it's moment to subscribe to this channel, activate the bell, and if you like this content, please share it with someone who needs this. So let's get started. First of all, we're going to click here directly to the Google's ads.google.com, and this is the main dashboard. And we're going to click here in Tools and Settings, and then we're going to click here in Keyword Planner. The thing or the main object is to plan the best keywords or the best phrase words. So in this case, we're going to click here. I want to tell you that I want to sell my course that is called How to Create Successful Companies Online. This course is in Spanish currently. However, I would really like to translate into English. But if you really like this content, you can learn how to price your products, how to hire the best person and or related. Also, you can learn how to create the best ads only with using using the consumer behavior and create the best thing in affordable price. So in this case, you have to change here where the places. For example, in this case, as I'm from Mexico, well, obviously we speak Spanish here, but I'm going to change it for English, and I want to change it for Canada, because in this case I want to tell you that in developing countries they click in this subject and the entrepreneur is affordable. However, in United States, Canada, United Kingdom, or all the European Union, the price is expensive. So if you are interested to sell your products or services to the Latin America, it will be more affordable than the United States, Canada, or any other developed country. So in this case, I'm going to type here Canada, and we're going to click here Save. If wherever you are, you have to click the place where you are. Or for example, if you only want to focus on one city, yes, so you have to type the city that you really are interested. So in this case, I'm going to type here the entrepreneur course. And we're going to see the options that Google gives me, and just you have to write only one. Just you can write other, but in this case, just for do this video faster, I'm going to write only one, and we're going to click here and get results. We're going to wait here, and you have some graphs, and you have here the ideas, the best ideas. For example, entrepreneur course is an average monthly searches of 320. It's a high competition. The cost of this click is around 40 pesos or around $2 US. And the entrepreneurship training is a competition medium. Obviously, if the competition is slow or low, it will be cheaper. And if the keyword is expensive or so competitive, you have to pay more. Furthermore, I want to say something else. Some companies that are offering some courses, they want to appear in the first place. So in some months, you can find that the click can reach around 242 Mexican pesos, or it's around to 12 to 15 US. So if you really want to appear in the first place, you have to invest that amount of money. So in this case, I'm going to select some some keywords that Google is showed me, and I want to tell you that in Mexican pesos, or in Mexico, if you want to focus the prices of the click is affordable, more affordable. For example, you can find clicks from cents of US dollars. So you can imagine this. So in this part, we have selected this. You can click here to name an ad group. I want to teach to type entrepreneur in Canada. Just if you do this same exercise in the United States, the prices are the double than in Canada. So you can invest in the places where it is more affordable. So it is your decision. And once that you have selected all the keywords, you have to click here in Add Keywords. And that is ready. You can select any other. You have here the behavior of each keywords, and in this case we're going to click. We won't do nothing in this part because we don't really want to have competition with recognized brands. For example, the Harvard University or McGill University, just because we are not focusing that part. So in this part, we're going to click here in the ad groups, and we have to be focused in this part, because if you don't change here, the possibilities that the results or the outcomes won't be the best. So in this case, I'm going to change here again to Canada. And I'm going to click here. If the language is not Spanish, I'm going to change it to English. And now we are ready to show you this part. You have here some numbers, and when your plan can get only one conversion for only 11 Mexican pesos and a maximum ZPC of 15 Mexican pesos. What does it mean? The click here, we are adding 15 Mexican pesos. So we're going to change this. You have we really want to invest more money. We want to lead traffic to our website in order to have purchases by the customers. So we're going to increase the CPC, because we could see that the average cost is around 90 Mexican pesos for Canada. So here we're going to have some forecast. Just if we invest around 2,000 Mexican dollars, that is similar to 100 US dollars, we're going to have 1,300 impressions. We could reach until 33 clicks, and our average CPA, or cost per action, is around 84. Our CTR, that is the division of 1,000, the 23 divided of 1,300 impressions, that is the CTR. And just if we want to increase our amount of the click, we can do here, and obviously we have to invest more money. For example, if you are in Canada, if you are investing in Canadian dollars and you want to do an ad campaign in Latin America, I want to tell you that you will just spend a few money if you spend in the same place, because as you can see, developing countries are more affordable than developed countries. So in this case, you have seen all the forecasts. I don't know if you have some question. Please, you have to subscribe here, because you have to subscribe to be informed what I'm doing. And I want to tell you, I don't know of the time. We have 10 minutes until here. I'm going to do another video explaining the difference of investing in another currency, in another country, for example, in the US or in Canada, or yes, in Mexico, that you will see the click is more affordable. So I want to say goodbye. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and we'll see until the next. So see you.